Living in the city that never sleeps can be exciting, but when it comes to your sleep, you deserve total darkness. Introducing Blackout Shades by Supreme Shades and Drapes, your solution for restful nights in NYC. Our premium blackout shades are designed to block 99% of natural light, keeping your space cool, private, and completely dark. Whether you're a light sleeper, work night shifts, or just need privacy in a bustling city, we've got you covered. Available in a variety of colors and styles, these shades blend seamlessly with any decor, giving you both function and style. At Supreme Shades and Drapes, we offer custom-made blackout shades to fit your windows perfectly. Our team of experts will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you get the right shades tailored to your needs. Ready to transform your space? Contact Supreme Shades and Drapes today for a free consultation and take the first step towards better sleep, privacy, and style.